Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x by 5 power x plus 1 is equals to 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 3 power x, if I'll take common from numerator, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 5 power x plus 1 is equals to 1. So 3 power x times 3 by 5 power x plus 1 is equals to 1. According to exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So here we can consider 3 power 1. So 3 power x plus 1 by 5 power x plus 1 is equals to 1. So another exponent rule, x power m by y power m, we can write x by y whole power m. So 3 by 5 whole power x plus 1 is equals to 1. Another exponent rule, a power 0 is always equals to 1, whether it's 2 power 0 or 3 by 5 power 0. So we can replace the right hand side 1 with 3 power 0. Now, if we compare both sides, the value of x plus 1 is 0. So the value of x is negative 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.